So my dear friends, this is the matte black coming off from the Sniper 155R. So when it comes to the displacement, my dear friends, this motorcycle is one of the 155cc ni Yamaha. Naka-liquid cooled engine siya with a 4-stroke, 4-valve, single overhead. Ang kanyang power, 17.9 horses at 9,500 RPM, 14.4 Newton meters of torque at 8,000 RPM. Meron siyang 6-speed manual with slipper clutch assist. Kung mapapaisip kayo bakit mas malakas yung mga malalaking 155 ni Yamaha pero mas mabilis ito, kasi ang kanyang wet weight 121 kilograms lang. So that's more than 10 kilograms difference kung ikukumpara mo kay XSR, kukumpara mo kay MT-15 at saka kay R50. Meron siyang 5.4 liter gas tank capacity, 43 to 48 km per liter. Naka 1.1 liter po tayo na Yamalube kapag magme-maintain. So ayan my dear friends, massive shoutout nga pala kay Ma'am Bernadette or Ma'am Badette. Link in the description tayo if you're looking for this particular bike. She's 5'2", 795mm. Ayan, hindi kasi nagbumotor si Ma'am Badette kaya sabi niya hindi niya daw talaga kaya daw, pero ayan naman, ang 2 feet. So okay lang. So sporty ang upo kahit na hindi naka-clip on. So pwede mong gawing pang touring yung kanyang seating position. Pwede din pinaka-kamote. 1,290mm na wheelbase. So masasabi mo talagang mahaba siya na motorsiklo. Ang kanyang ground clearance 150mm and iba na yung 155R nila ngayon, may single channel ABS na. Pagdating sa kanyang pinta, may halong gloss at saka matte, and pagdating din sa sticker, may matte din. But when it comes to the color, may difference. Hindi ka mapapahiya dyan. Just like my XSR 155, kanyang kaganda yung matte. And isa na nagustuhan ko sa kanya may difference ha. Matte dito, tapos sa may fender, glossy po siya. Naka-single fender talaga siya, may difference. Hindi siya yung tipong divided. Now, when it comes to the sticker, bakit babaguhin? Or if it's not broke, why fix it, diba? And may gray siya na sticker or print out. The seat, ganito po yung makukuha natin with variations as well, my dear friends. Hindi siya kakapalan kasi nga, this is somewhat a sport underbone. Simula dito, then paangat, then sa may pillion. Yung back ride, very sure dapat babae kasi nga hindi talaga kala parang yung kanyang seat sa back ride. Pero this part, ayun, pwede malaking sumakay dito. And also, by the way my dear friends, may trick kasi si Yamaha. Si NMAX may ganito din. Kung naiwan mo yung key mo, hindi mo kayang buksan, pwede mo buksan na dito. Ayan po. And the tank is situated here. Double ang kanilang pillion peg. Tumutunog siya my dear friends. Ito lang yung gusto ko sanang palitan ni Yamaha pero hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin nila pinapalitan eh. Kasi it means hindi talaga siya yung tipong pang racing talaga. Pang long ride din kumbaga. Ayan po. Pilas tayo kapag 155R. Ayan ang kanyang display my dear friends. Ganda talaga eh. And some lighting on this part. Turn signals with hazard by the way tayo my dear friends. Unlike my XSR doesn't have any hazard light. And fast switch niya, you have to press it like this. Some lighting over here and some keyless warning, and that's it. Speed, maganda naman po. May gear indicator, fuel gauge on this part, speedometer on this part, and also ang kanyang RPM. If you're pressing this one, clip F, Orasan, fuel economy, average, and average na takbo mo, odometer. Okay siya. Maganda siya para sa akin and very scientific. And let's not forget, it has a single channel ABS. Ayan po. By the way, my dear friends, in order for you to see the headlight, kailangan nakastart siya. Hindi pa nabibili itong motorsiklo na to, kaya ganito lang po yung makukuha natin. Mas maangas talaga ang kanya signal lights kahit na naka-bulb. May style siya na nag-diffuse yung ilaw, so hindi siya yung tipong masyadong makinang kumbaga or nakakairita yung kinang. Sa may likod naman, makikita mo talaga malakas talaga yung kanyang ilaw. Sa kanyang brake, this is what you're getting. Ayan o, R-series na taillight my dear friends. Sa akin sweet spot kasi to ni Yamaha, yung kanyang puwet or yung kanyang tail. Ayan o, underbone na nga, tapos ginawang R-series yung likuran. So maganda talaga yung tsura niya. And I almost forgot, the fender on this part to, ito yung na-appreciate ko kay Yamaha. Not just for the looks, but also for the protection of the engine. front suspension, my dear friends. Walang branding. Non-inverted po tayo pagdating sa fork. And sa may likuran naman, with preload adjustability po yan, monoshock ang kanyang disc brake. Naka-hydraulic po tayo sa may harapan. No branding with a golden caliper, so it gives variation actually in the color. Para sa akin, mas nagaganda na ako sa kanya. Sa may likuran naman, with the branding coming off from Nissan, golden caliper pa rin po tayo. Ito yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya. Yung kanyang wheels, ayan o. May sticker kasi siya, my dear friends. 10 fin spoke po tayo na wheels. Pareho sila naka 17. Ang kanyang gulong sa may harapan, 90, 80. And sa may likuran naman, 120, 70. So, both are 17s with a tubeless tire, my dear friend. Hindi naman siya yung pinakamataba talaga na tires, pero kung ikukumpara mo sa tires ng iba, maumbok talaga siya. When it comes to the pricing, naka-SRP po tayo, walang taas, 146,900. Ang kanyang lowest down payment nakalagay dito, 26,000 Philippine pesos. 12 months, 14,170, 24 months, 8,524, 36 months, 6,998. And of course, may rebates po tayo. Kapag kinuha natin yung 36 months na terms, 800 pesos if you pay on time. 24 months na term, 500 rebates if you pay on time or before the due date. And 12 months, 200 pesos na rebates. Para sa akin, affordable to kung ikukumpara kay XSR 155 na nasa 182,000 Philippine pesos na wala pa ring ABS. Pero ito, may front ABS na, my dear friend. If you are a big fan of an underbone, naghanap pa ng safety feature, hindi naman po ito papahuli kahit papano. Kasi nga, 121 kilograms, 17.9 horsepower, it's not that bad. Masaya lang talaga ako kasi nakapag-vlog naman tayo ng Yamaha. Tagal natin hindi nakabisita sa isang Yamaha showroom. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this beautiful bike right here. And if you have any violent reactions, go crazy. Hindi natin buburahin yan. At saka sa mga gustong sumuporta, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Share niyo po ang isa sa mga videos ko. And Exodus 14:14 to everyone. Keep on praying and trust the process. And I'll see you in the next. A kiss, my dear friends.